Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today I have this 2000 Honda Accord SE that did have an SRS light on. The light was on for about 10 to 12 years, and I finally got annoyed by it and had it scanned. I scanned it myself with my scan tool that I have. It has SRS and ABS capabilities, so the code that it pulled was the faulty driver and passenger seatbelt buckle switch. So I guess the switch or the sensor inside the seatbelt buckle was either dirty or gone bad or sticking or something. It wasn't functioning right. So I did a little bit of research and to see what the fix was. You know, obviously you could replace the seatbelt buckles themselves, but I looked that up, and for a Honda OEM seatbelt buckle, I mean, they wanted quite a bit for it. So I did a little bit of digging, and it turns out that this year of the Accord, they have a lifetime warranty of seatbelts and anything safety related, I believe. So I took it to Honda, and they said yes, in fact, that we will replace both these seatbelt buckles for free. However, one of the things that they told me when I called was we will replace it for free as long as we scan it and get the code for a faulty driver and passenger seatbelt buckle. If it's anything else, you'll be charged. So I highly recommend getting it scanned, or scan it yourself if you have a scan tool that can access SRS and things like that, just to make sure that you know what they're going to get when they scan it. So if you have a friend or something that has a pretty decent scan tool that can do that, I would just make sure that it gives the faulty driver and passenger seatbelt buckle code before you go in there, so they don't try and charge you. But as long as it's that code, it's free of charge. So any of you with this light, which I know is pretty common with this year, make, and model, you can get your seatbelt buckles replaced for free. As you can see, it's kind of dark, but these are brand new buckles. Same with over here. They replaced them for free. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below.